Hey everyone, today we're diving into the Fairer Resolute Sorbet 36mm. Fairer's dedication to storytelling shines through, starting with the packaging. The elegant box and the thoughtful handwritten note from the Fairer team make the unboxing experience personal and memorable, a reflection of the brand's commitment to detail. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the sorbet dial. In person, it's a touch more subtle and refined than the photos suggest, leaning toward a soft salmon hue rather than a bright pastel orange. This subtlety is a pleasant surprise. It adds a level of sophistication that balances the playful design, making it more versatile than you might expect. The rich, heat-blued hands pop beautifully against the creamy backdrop, enhancing legibility while maintaining that classic Fairer charm. Under the hood, the sorbet features the La Joux-Perret G100 movement. This Swiss automatic caliber boasts an impressive 68-hour power reserve and operates at a steady 28,800 vibrations per hour. It's robust, reliable, and a step up from the typical movements in this price range, offering a touch of haute horology in a compact package. Resolute Sorbet 36mm, a watch that pays homage to the HMS Resolute, a legendary 19th century ship known for its endurance and exploration. Speaking of compact, the 36mm case is an absolute delight on the wrist. Thanks to the short lugs, it hugs the wrist perfectly, providing a snug and comfortable fit. It's a watch that works well on a variety of wrist sizes, and its slim profile ensures it slides easily under a cuff. The design is versatile enough to pair with a range of straps, leather for a classic look, a NATO for a sporty vibe, or even a mesh bracelet for something dressier. Overall, the Resolute Sorbet is a perfect example of Fairer's ability to combine history, design, and modern mechanics into one compelling package. Whether you're a collector or just starting out, this watch is a standout piece that offers both style and substance. Thanks for joining me for this unboxing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what you think of the sorbet in the comments below. See you next time.